Hello, my name is Wolf Knapp and I'm a product manager for process management in SAP Cloud ALM. In this video you will learn how to perform fit-to-standard workshops to determine the project implementation scope. You will see how scopes and tasks guide you through the process of planning and conducting the workshops. You will learn how to display rich process content and how to define nodes and requirements. You will also learn how to complete and approve requirements in order to drive the realization of the process scope. Now let's get started. On the SAP Cloud ALM Launchpad, I select the task tile to open the task list. In the filter bar, I'm filtering for planned Paris to see which tasks are assigned to this scope. I select the task schedule fit to standard to see the task instructions. This task describes the procedure for workshop scheduling. In real life, I would send invites to the workshop participants. Let's assume I did that. So I will now set the task status to done and close the task. During the workshop, I will be discussing the solution processes with the participants. I select Conduct Fit to Standard and use the forward navigation to get to the solution process scope list with the assigned processes. If I select the process Accounts Receivables, I can view the process details. Now, by selecting the Call-out menu on the diagram element, I can create a requirement that is automatically attached to the business process. I will create a requirement titled Computing Total Revenues belonging to Workstream Application Design and Configuration and description determine if gathered point of sales revenues need to be computed on daily, weekly or monthly basis. Next, I select Save and close the requirement. I can see the requirements attached to the process, and by selecting the plus symbol, I can navigate to the detailed process flow. By selecting the diagram selector and navigating to the down payment solution process flow, I can open the test script with example data or follow the SAP Best Practice Explorer link. Next, I will review the business application and process flow and capture some requirements and notes. I select Create and then Note. I capture a note documenting the standard down payment categories: mandatory down payment, voluntary down payment, and down payment not active. Next, I save and close the note. I can return to the task list by selecting Tasks and set the Conduct Fit to Standard task to Done. I can use the forward navigation on the Task, Review and Complete Requirements to get to the requirements list. Select the requirement and choose Approve and Generate Project Task. I will confirm the approve prompt and generate the project task. Now I will select the link to the solution process. I see the requirement and generated task in context of the process. I change the status of the process to realization when configuration has started. The task list will guide you through the next steps. Thank you for watching this video. You now know how to perform fit to standard workshops, how to display rich process content, how to create requirements and notes, and how to complete and approve requirements. We recommend that you next watch how to model custom solution processes and how does change management workflow work in SAP Cloud ALM.